This is Cushion Spurge, and that's an Ascot Rainbow. And I confess I had no idea about this plant until last fall. It can get up to 20 inches. I purchased this when it was 10 last fall, put it into this beautiful vase, and the top of this plant is now 21 inches. It's hardy in zone 6 to 9. Could take sun and partial shade, although it does thrive, so they say, in hot and sunny conditions. It is a beautiful plant. It's a great addition to our herb garden, even though it's not an herb. Just brings a little color in. There's a related video there if you want to watch that, and please share this video and leave comments below or questions. I'll certainly get back to them.